Burr. It is very cold this morning here in Maine. Good morning, what's cranking wieners? We're back in the scene. Today, unfortunately, is Dice's last day here in Maine. Let's turn that AC down a little bit. Buddy, did you have fun even though yesterday was kind of a gong show?
Oh yeah, it's always fun exploring new stuff. I mean,
yeah. We, if you guys didn't see the last video, we trekked into basically this really remote backwoods lake, which like Maine is really known for having, like all these little tiny lakes that are secluded, and the only way you can get to them is either if you fly in with a ski plane, or if you walk in, or if you snowmobile in. So we snowmobiled in. It was good, we caught 2 fish, it just wasn't great. We expected, you know, to when you go to those spots, just light them up. But, good news, is today we're back on the scene. Dice flies out like late in the afternoon, so we figured we'd just squeeze in a little bit of fish in the morning. We're going to a very local spot that I've caught fish at before. We tried to film a video, and it didn't work out because of audio issues. Actually, Alex caught his first ever fish through the ice at this lake we're going to. Pretty epic moment. The video was sick, but all the audio got corrupted. So we're gonna go back and try to recreate that video that we filmed just a few days ago. Alex is gonna ice fish, Slammy's gonna ice fish, and then of course I'm gonna ice fish as well. But yeah, we're rigged and ready to go. Just waiting on Alex to get the camera gear set. Gonna grab some donkeys, fill up the tanks, and we'll meet you guys out there. Stick with it, stay tuned, and enjoy. Look at this hero. Look at this hero. Yo, do you like black coffee? Let me help you out here.
Today.
Do they have the donuts?
No.
Damn it. Every time we go to Dunkin' Donuts, we search and hunt down vigorously for this elusive red hot donut that apparently they're featuring right now, and I can't find it. I don't know if it's only in Boston or something like that, but up here in Maine, they don't have them yet. If you guys have ever had the Frank's Red Hot Donut, drop a comment, let me know how it is. I'm assuming it probably tastes like trash, but I gotta find out for myself. It's definitely a flare meal for sure. It was weird, like when we first started fishing, a lot of the fish would come in, look at it, come up, come down, like, but then as soon as I came over here, they were just like way more active. They were way more willing to feed over here, but I don't know. Could have just been like a timing thing too, like later in the day they got hungrier. What the hell am I looking at right now? There we go. Yeah. Little perch. First fish of the day. That is, wow, that is like a nugget. You could fry that guy up whole and eat him. It's taken us a while to figure out what these fish want, but it appears that the small little motions are getting the nibbies. Although this is not exactly what we're looking for. It's a step in the right direction. It's a little wiener dog lucky perch. So small. All right, buddy, take care. You. I'm gonna drill a hole. Where at?
Between you, the sled, and then about 10 feet out.
Okay.
Oh, grass.
Yeah. 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 That's it.
Dude, I got a nice mark down here. On. Oh my. On.
Good one, good one, good one, good one, good one. It's the deucer out of the hole. It's a good one.
Hold on, hold on.
Yep, good bass. Good bass, dude. Got him. Let's go! Oh! First bass of the season for Buddy. That's a good one too, dude. Yes.
Little buckshot.
Oh, little buckshot. Oh wait, where'd you find that?
It was on one of your rods.
Minnow head or no
yesterday.
minnow head?
Minnow head. Here we go. This is what we wanted.
We can't, Dice and I, here's the thing, Dice and I can't take credit for this fish because we were jigging all around the spot that we should have been on. Alex was like, last time we were here, he's like, I remember there being a hump. I'm gonna go find it. So he puts down the rod, he starts drilling. Sure enough, first hole he pops 6 foot,
Weeds.
4 foot, 3 foot, 2 foot, and then weeds everywhere. So what Dice did, he popped an adjacent hole right next to that hump in the weeds. We're surrounded by 14, 15 feet of water. And that right there is a Maine LMB. It's a good one, dude. Probably like mid twos. Yeah.
Pound and a half.
Pound and a half.
Maybe a 2 pounder.
She got a little girth.
She does.
She got a little girth.
But yeah.
Mission accomplished though. That's so
That's
sick.
awesome.
Set out to catch that fish and we made it happen.
How much easier are these to handle than trout?
Oh my God. Yeah, the trout's like this. The bass you can just lift.
Yeah. Woo! There we go. Time to get on some more. Starting to figure it out here.
Bud's got a flight in like a few hours and we're just cranking fish on the ice. This is so epic.
Let's go.
Oh well, big mark. There we go. He's on. That's a nice fish. What do we have here? That's a good fish. Oh, he did not like that. That's a good fish. What do I have here? Oh, I think he just woke up. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. What do we have here? What do we have here? Oh man, that's a good fish. What do we have here? Nice largemouth, I'm hoping. Oh man, that's a good fish. What is this? Holy moly, that's a good fish. Oh, he's right there. What is it? What is it? Oh wow, nice largemouth. Nice largemouth. Oh my goodness. Really good one. Yes, let's go. Oh baby. Oh baby. That's what's up. That is a good largemouth. That's the fish we're after. There's nothing more fun than jigging these guys to the ice on a little 31-inch rod. That's a good one. Look at that fat boy. That is a quality LMB. Just ate the little tiny spoon. How clutch is that? Holy moly. Oh, this guy's been caught before too. That's crazy. Look at that hook mark right there. Can you guys see that? Oh, hang on. I hooked myself. There's a little hook mark right there. That was not mine too. He's been hooked maybe a few times. Oh, good fish. See you later, dude. Thanks for playing. Oh, that was messy. Back down she goes. Whew. Let's get it. How we're catching these fish today is pretty simple. We're just taking these little tiny golden spoons and we're tipping them with bits of minnow meat. Everything loves minnow meat. Walleye, pike, perch, as you can see, bass. That just adds a little bit of scent. You can catch them just with the spoon and only the spoon, but by putting that meat on there, it almost like ensures that you're gonna get the fish fired up. There he is. Come on. I know you want it. You're right there, you're looking at it. Come on. Come on, I already caught your buddy. Oh wow, big mark. There we go, another one. Oh my gosh, another good fish. Another good fish, boys. Another good fish. Holy moly. Oh, he just came off. No, no. Oh my God, we're on them now. I think we're on them. I think we are on them. It's so funny, sometimes with ice fishing, it can go either way. Catching a fish can spook the pack or it can get the pack riled up. That movement with a fish thrashing beneath the hole is enough to like draw the attention of other fish. So in this case, it looks like it's working. That first fish, maybe you got a few more to hone in on this spot. So I'm feeling pretty optimistic about this. The only thing is these fish aren't really eating it really hard. Like that was such a subtle bite.
That was a thwack. Oh, no, man.
There he goes.
Oh, it's a stud. It's a stud. It's a stud.
Oh my God. Let's go.
No way.
Let's
No
go,
way.
dude.
Oh
Dude,
my God.
That's 4 all day.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Oh, maybe 3.5.
That is a good fish.
What did you say? What did you say? That I was gonna probably
Yeah,
catch?
I told you, at the beginning of today's video, I was like, Alex is the only one that doesn't have a graph or a fish finder. And I was like, he's gonna catch the biggest one. But he puts down the camera, picks up the rod, and catches the biggest fish of the whole day. Put her there, man.
What's up?
Look at that little tiny jig, that little tiny spoon hanging out of his mouth too. It's crazy. These big aggressive fish, like itty bitty meals this time of year. I love the role reversal here. I'm filming, he's catching. This is so funny. All right, send her back. Big beauty.
I was like, how do you like to do it? You gotta go like this?
Yeah,
and
just like that. And she disappears.
Woo! Let's go! Bigs, bigs. Let's go get some more.
Yes.
Nice mark. Yeah. Nope. Giant perch. Holy. Dude, these perch are eating it too. Look at how these perch are eating it. It's insane. Again, this is all I'm using. Little buckshot. I actually took one of the things from a Swedish pimple, tossed it on there, and put a little piece of meat. That's been the ticket. Dude, I don't think you can even fillet that pickerel. This is a bass for sure. Oh yeah. There we go. We've been slaying.
There we go. Good fish, good fish, good fish, good fish, good fish. God, did he pump it? God, do not. Oh, they always come off. Oh, jeez. I'm hot. I'm red hot right now. There we go. Come on. No graph needed. Nice little largemouth. Hell yeah. Oh boy, that was nice. Look at that. Yeah. Nice little LMB. Oh, yo, wank. You're a wank. There we go. Good fish. Good fish. Oh, wow. Very nice fish. Very nice fish. That might be something good. Is he on the... Seriously? What the hell? Yeah, something good too. Oh yeah, wow, nice largemouth. Wow. Come on, get your head up. Get your head up. Get your head up. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. All right. This is big. Holy moly. You're not going to believe what I have. Huge pickerel. Like the fucking biggest one I've ever seen. He just can't get his head through the hole. Nice one. Get him. Nice. Grab him. What are you doing? Just grab him. Golly. There we go. That's a good pickerel.
Look at his stomach.
What the hell? Oh my God. Ow.
Dude, that's a giant fish
perch.
in there.
That's a perch.
Oh my God, dude, feel it.
We should fillet him and see what's in there, yeah. Oh my God. What is inside that perch?
Bluegill, it almost feels.
Maybe a bluegill, yeah. Holy moly. Dude, that's my biggest pickerel ever. That's actually a really nice one, yeah. This is insane. We're out here catching bass on this grassy flat, and I got bitten. I assumed that it had to have been a largemouth. Getting near the hole, I'm like, oh my God, that's a nice pickerel. That's definitely one of my biggest pickerel I've ever caught. Let me dip them in the drink real quick. They don't get like very big. I think like the world record's like 9 pounds or something like that. So this little 2-pounder is definitely a quality fish. But that's not what's so interesting about this catch though, is what's inside of his stomach. I have no idea what is going on here, but I think he might have eaten a bluegill. The cool thing is you can keep these guys, so we're gonna keep them and eat them, and then also figure out what is going on in his stomach, like why that looks like that. I'm curious to see if it's a bluegill, or I would assume it's a bluegill from the shape, but it also could be something unnatural. Like he may have like, I mean, I don't know. They're pickerel. They put anything in their mouths. Wicked catch though. Definitely one of my biggest ones ever. Unreal. Let's get one hooked. Well, gang, I think we're gonna close her out here. The bite just shut down completely. Like we went from like rocking fish out of the hole one after another to like just nothing. And the wind's picking up and it's getting colder. And this guy's right here, and this guy right here has got a flight to catch. So Buddy's got to fly. Pretty epic that we were able to squeeze in a nice fishing session right before he flies back home to Chicago. But yeah, I figured we're gonna go get a bite to eat, and then we're gonna cut the video to the cabin, and we're gonna see what is living, or what was living inside of that deformed pickerel. I'm so curious. I wish you were there for that, but
I know.
We're gonna check it out. It's gonna be so weird. I feel like it's gonna be something out of this world. But anyway, catch you guys back at the camp. Meet you there. Well, we dropped Dice off at the airport. It was good hang out with him. It was a short trip, but it was a very quality, good trip. And I almost closed out the video. We almost like just came back, had some drinks, and chilled at the camp. But then I forgot that we had this pickerel that we caught today that has something weird, some sort of mystery meal in his gullet. So this is how we're probably gonna end today's video, to see what is in this thing's belly. I mean, for those of you guys who don't know, that is not what a pickerel's belly is supposed to look like, which means he ate something probably too big that he couldn't digest. I don't know, we're about to find out. Drop a comment in the comment section below what you guys think is in here. What do you think is in here?
I think it's it's probably a good perch.
It's wide, it's like tall though. Whatever it is, it's like very wide. I would say it's perch too, because we were catching perch in the area, but I'm not sure. Also, for those of you guys who are concerned, we didn't keep this fish just for the sole purpose of checking to see what's in its stomach. We are gonna eat this guy. This fish is gonna be put to good use, but I figured before we fillet him up, like officially, we're going to give him a little cut down the middle to see what's inside. He is pretty frozen, so I don't know, this might not work too well. I can smell the mucus. Why are they such stinky fish? They're such stinky fish.
It's like a turducken.
Yeah, it is a turducken. It's a bluegill or a panfish inside of a pike. Dude, watch it be neither though. I'm so curious. I don't know what the hell is in this. My guess is that he's eaten a bluegill. It's way too tall to be a perch. Like if it was a perch, it would have been like long and skinny, and he probably would be able to easily digest something like that. But this is something tall like a bluegill or a crappie. But the weird thing is the lake that we're fishing today isn't supposed to have either or. You know, it doesn't say that there's bluegill, crappie stocked or naturally occurring in the lake. So I'm very confused. I almost wonder if it's something that's not natural. Like if this thing ate like a piece of plastic, or I don't know. Oh my God. There we go. Holy shit. Look at that. I've never seen a pickerel or a pike or a bass that size try to go for a meal that is that big. Unfortunately, it looks like the digestive acids were doing its work. I can't 100% ID this fish. If I had to guess, just based upon how this thing looks, it's got to be some sort of bluegill, maybe a red ear. I originally thought it was a crappie because of like how speckled those patterns are, but it's too like oval shaped. Look at the dorsals too. Oh yeah, that's definitely a bluegill. You can see the dorsals. Yep, 100% some sort of panfish bluegill. Interesting. That is wicked. A fish this big somehow managed to eat a fish this big under the ice. And people think that fish in the wintertime really slow down to the point where they can't eat anything. This totally debunks that theory. I remember as a kid I used to think you had to use really small lures for fishing in the ice. Meanwhile, this pickerel decided to grab a meal that is probably a third of his own size. I'm glad that we got to the bottom of this. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a lot of fun fishing with salmon. It was a good day out in the water opposed to yesterday where it was just really tough. It was nice and refreshing to have a moment where we were all hooked up. Like even Alex, I mean Alex caught the biggest fish of the day. So it was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this laid back little episode, and it was cool to end on such an interesting note. But I appreciate the view. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is probably gonna be our second to last day here in Maine. We're gonna try to film 2 more times, pump out 2 more videos for you guys. Then it's on to our first international trip of 2020. So we're very much stoked about that. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the view. And as always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop.